Namaste children, good morning all of you. So, yesterday we have asked you to submit classworks, homeworks, whatever books are needed. But I think only from 5th A, Lohit, Nandini, R. Monica and Yuvaraj. Yuvaraj also you have submitted without writing anything. This is not at all fair children. The remaining students, please submit your books. Tomorrow we are there in the we will be in the school, so you will come and give your books. Understood? Right. There will be very soon you will have exams also, unit exams. Based on your performance you will be promoted to the next class. Don't take it granted that no marks, no exams, only we have to write the CWS and submit. That's all. So books verification is also being done. Okay, that stamp, whatever stamp, our school stamp will be there now, and that stamp and the date will be mentioned there. Book for books, these so only 4 books are being verified tomorrow. The remaining students, you have to submit your books. Is it okay? Is it fine? Right, you have to submit your books. Okay? So, until yesterday we have discussed prime factorization method. Finding the LCM using prime factorization method. What do you mean by LCM? LCM means least common multiple. What is LCM? L stands for least, C stands for common, multiple. Okay. Multiple. Okay, least common multiple. You have to find out the common multiple and also least. In order to find out the common multiple, you must have 2 numbers. You must have 2 numbers. Okay. Now let us see what are those 2 numbers. 21 and 35. So you have to find out. First we'll do with prime factorization method and then with division method. How to use prime factors? For 21 you draw a tree. So you start with 1 table. No, you should not use 1 here because this is prime factorization method. You have to start with 2. 2 goes in 21 goes in 2 table? No. 3 how many times are? 21? 3 sevens are. So 3 and 7 are prime numbers, you stop here. So 3 sevens are 21. 35. For 35, you draw tree. 2 table lo 35 raadu. 3 table lo 3 12s are 36. No. 4 table, 4 you should not use. 5 table? 5? Yes. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Now, how to find out the common multiple? Common multiple. What is common here? 7. So, 7 is common. How to find out least common multiple? So, along with 7, you have to write the remaining numbers to 5. Okay? Along with 7, you have to write the other numbers which are there in the prime factorization. 7 3s are 21. 21 5s are 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So 105 is the LCM. This is using prime factorization method. What did we do? First you have to find out the prime factors, and then you have to find out the common multiple, and then you have to find the least common multiple. So along with 7, the remaining numbers you have to multiply. So this is the least common multiple. So this same method you will do in using division method. Let us do it in division method. So division means division means at a time 2 numbers you have to take. At a time 2 numbers you have to take. You have to only use prime numbers. You can't start with 1. Okay? 2 table 21 వస్తుందా? No. 35? No. ఏదో ఒక్క నెంబర్ వచ్చినా you have to start. Okay? Next 3. 21 goes in 3 table? Yes. 3 sevens are 21. But 35 రాదు. రాకపోయినా 3 table యూస్ చేయాలి. 3 sevens are 21. Okay? 35. 35 will not go in 3 table. So bring down this 35. Comma 35. Now, what is the next prime number? So what is the next prime number? Next prime number is 5, correct? So 7 goes in 5 table? No. 35 goes in 5 table? Yes. 5 sevens are is 35. ఈ నెంబర్ వెళ్ళకపోయినా ఒక నెంబర్ వెళ్తే you have to start 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 7 will not go in 5 table. So bring down this 7. Now you will stop here because you have to stop here when you get prime numbers, both prime numbers. If you get prime numbers, you can stop here. Now you have to find out the LCM. LCM, least common multiple, is product of 3 into 5 into, for both the sevens you write 1 7. 7. Okay? 3 5s are 15. See, 3 5s are 15. Okay? 15 sevens are 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. What is our answer? 105. Can you differentiate? ముందు ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్లో చేసిన 105 వచ్చింది, డివిజన్ మెథడ్లో చేసిన 105 వచ్చింది. ఏంటి తేడా అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? యూ విల్ డూ 2 numbers at a time. Okay? Right. Let us see one more example. Now let us see one more example from the exercise 4 page 70, exercise 5 page 57, 4th Roman, C sum. Okay, 24 and 36. We will do this sum in order to differentiate. If you have to know the difference, prime factorization method lo cheptamu and division method lo kuda chedam. First prime factorization method chedam. Okay, 24 ela chestam tree method. So in the rough space 24 tree veyandi. Okay, you have to start with 2 table kada. 2 is a prime number. Start with 2. 2 how many times are 24? 2 12s are 24. Kada. 2 is a prime number. You stop here. 12 again. 2 6 are again. 2 3s are kada. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next 36. 2 tables 20 steps వరకు వస్తే 2 18s are 20 36. 2 18s are 36. Again 2 9s are 18. Again 3 3s are 9. సర్కిల్ ఎప్పుడు పెడతామంటే, దీని సర్కిల్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తామంటే చెప్పాను కదా, if you get a prime number you will stop here. If you get a composite number you will continue the chain, continue the branch. ఇది composite number, ఇది composite number కాబట్టి branch continue అయింది. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ అలా చేస్తాం. కామన్ తీయండి. 2 ఇంటూ 1 2 ఇంటూ 3. ఈ రెండిట్లోంచి 1 2 రాయాలి. ఈ రెండిట్లోంచి 1 2 3 3 1 3. ఎల్సిఎం అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ వరకు చేస్తే హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అవుతుంది. ద రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ 2 into 3, it is called LCM. కదా? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 24 3s are 3 2s are 6 7, 72. LCM is 72. మరి ఇదే సమ్ డివిజన్ మెథడ్ చేయాలి. డివిజన్ మెథడ్ మీన్స్ at a time you have to do 24 36. Okay, division method. Can you use 1 here? No. You would start with 2. 2 how many times are 24? 2 12s are 24. 2 how many times are 36? 2 18s are 36. Stop here. Again start 2 table. Check. 12 goes in 2 table? Yes. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Next 2 table. 2 table లో 9 రాదు కానీ 6 వస్తుంది. కానీ you have to start. 2 3s are 6. 9 వెళ్ళదు కాబట్టి bring down this 9. Okay. Again 3. 3 how many times are 3? 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are రాయకూడదు. 1 రాయకూడదు ఎందుకంటే ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి యూ షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్. నా వాట్ ఈస్ ఎల్సిఎం? ఎల్సిఎం 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So in both the cases you got 72. Is it understood? Right. So with this we are left with only one topic, that is the relation between LCM and HCF. I will teach you in the next class. For today's homework you will do mixed bag. You will do mixed bag. Page number 58, 4th Roman. I think I have given you ABCD sums. You will do 3rd Roman. Find the HCF. Find the HCF. ABCD you will do. LCM కాదు, ఇలా కాదు. HCF అంటే కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇక్కడ వరకే చేస్తారు. ద రిమైనింగ్ యూ డోంట్ రైట్. ఓకే. ఎల్సిఎం అంటే ఈ మిగిలిపోయిన కూడా రాయాలి. హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అంటే ఓన్లీ అప్ టు హియర్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాసి చేయండి సమ్. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ చెక్ యువర్ నోట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్ మీ. ఐ విల్ సాల్వ్ యువర్ doubt. I will clarify your doubt. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.